Hello YouTube. Today here I'm showing a vintage fan that I got earlier this month. This is a 16-inch Sanyo oscillating fan from the 80s. And this is the condition I got in, but there will be another video of me taking this fan apart to clean up. This is a rare fan, and right here, this is what the plug looks like. And the fan is supposed to have the metal clips for the grills here instead of these zip ties, but some reason the grills must have broken off by the owner who had before, or the original one. Now, this is a rare fan, like I said. Sanyos are rare to find, and I'll be doing another video after cleaning up the fan as well. So I'm going to do a demonstration showing this fan on all the speeds, because it has 3. Let me check the plug or the power strip, because it must have been turned off. So this fan's definitely going to be oil for the motor, and I'll have to take these out and put new zip ties on, or clips, but I don't have any clips in. These Sanyo fans don't have those plastic clips like the Lasco Galaxy style table fans from this time. And back here there isn't like an actual handle, but this could be the handle for the back to carry, I guess, even though there isn't one like on here on the plastic covered motor. Right here it's what it is right now, and again I'll be doing some cleaning on it. So I show the underside and see what it says under here. As you can see, there's a tag right here. So from that, I do not know exactly what year this is from, but the rare part about this fan is that it was made in Mexico, and oscillating fans from this time usually are made for sale in the US, or made in the US, Taiwan, Korea, Japan. I mean, way before made in China oscillating fans came out. So that's the rare part about a fan like this, instead of being made in Japan. But it's still a well-made fan. I mean, this is back before fans really got cheap in quality. So that's a brief checkout, and looking forward to making a clean video of this and getting in better condition when it gets warmer. But there you go. And thanks for watching an initial check of what a lot of people like to see. Goodbye.